I'm going to show you the Apps4bcn project and talk you about the mission and the vision of the project. The first objective, we want to improve the experience of the people living and visiting Barcelona. Second one, from the government, what we want is to boost the mobile applications as a new channel to have this relationship with a smart and intelligent and sustainable city the way it has to be Barcelona. Third, we want to transform Barcelona as a laboratory where we can develop new mobile services, and at the end, we would like to become like a showcase where all the entrepreneurs can promote their applications internationally. We want Apps4bcn to be the meeting point for all the professionals in the mobile sector. We want to take advantage of all the potential that has the city, all the entrepreneurial potential, but also all the talent that we have here in the city. To build a city with all the relationships have to be based on edge technology and mobile services. We would like to have here in Barcelona this professional mobile ecosystem where all the people, all the professionals have all the support, all the resources, all the synergies that they need to fulfill the whole entire life mobile project management. Barcelona will become an international reference when it comes to knowledge about development, about mobile technologies and solutions. Okay, from another point of view, now I have been talking about the mission and the vision about the project. Right? Now I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the lines of action of the project, which is basically these four. The first one is the lab, the idea that we want to make Barcelona a laboratory of making these new kind of services. Live, where all the entrepreneurs can explain what they have done in life. This is the main thing. The community, what it really tries is to make this relationship with the community, with the professional community, the whole year, and the portal. This is like the result of the project, because here all the entrepreneurs can publish their applications. Okay, and at the end, I would like to show you this project, which is it's a successful case, because one hackathon, because the idea was good. They make an enterprise. We like it from the town hall, so we decided to help them with all the communications issues. They got successful here in the city, and nowadays they are not only in Barcelona, but they are in Chile and Buenos Aires and many other countries. So they are really successful. This is the best case that we have. Thank you very much for your attention.